Howdy everyone, this is Graham Pine with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Bell Southstone Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Ansel Apartments. These are new, really pretty apartments. I've gone past the lobby here, and now I'm gonna walk around and just show you some of the features. I'm gonna show you just kind of the overview of the features, then we're gonna do a video of each one of them, really quick one. So this is the mailroom, of course. We're on the first floor. We walk to the left here, and then we see a clubhouse. We're gonna go examine that clubhouse in just a minute. Really pretty, by the way, wow. Really nice clubhouse that's there. Super pretty clubhouse. We see a co-working area that's over here. Very, very nice. We see a gym. Can't wait to see, more of that gym. This is actually, this is really cool. This is a great gym, wow. And then there is a pool that's right over there. So pretty much everything you're seeing is on the first floor, and it's just all right here. There's a couple other features we probably won't capture in today, but there's a dog park. It's on the other side of the property, and then there is a bike rack area. I think it's in an indoor room. So anyway, that's what it looks like. Now we're going to go do some videos of each of these amenities. Hey, if you have any questions or you're ready to take a virtual tour, live virtual tour anytime, send me a text and I'll set that up for you for free. It's part of our free service.